A lot of that slippage in the polls is Democrats. Let's remember how all of this happened during the Bush years. The Democrats inflated the importance of Afghanistan and pretended it was the good war, the war that had to be won, as Obama said even just a month ago, war of necessity, as a way to oppose the Iraq war and not appear to be entirely anti-war, as the Democratic reputation was ever since the Vietnam days. It was a cynical political maneuver. Bob Shrum, who was a high advisor of the Kerry campaign of 5 years ago, admitted that it was a political move as a way to oppose the Bush war but not be anywhere. Well, now that the Democrats are in control and they have a president who understands it is an unpopular war and infinitely more difficult than Iraq is, because it was never a country. It's extremely decentralized. It has a very weak central government and a huge amount of corruption. But he's stuck with it. So what's happened is his troops, meaning his political troops, Democrats, the rank and file, who in the Bush days were ostensibly in favor of the war, are now open about their opposition. And he's losing his constituency on the left and in the center and even some on the right.
You know, you